My name is Hussain Javed and you are watching my channel Education Vessel. We are discussing trigonometry. Today we have a new topic of trigonometry. Does it prove? Okay, let's get into it. Okay, prove that L is equal to r theta. L means length of the arc is equal to the radius of the circle times angle. For that purpose, we have to draw a circle. Okay, let me draw a circle. Circle is here, and the center of the circle is here. For example, the name this point A and draw a radius of the circle. This is radius of the circle, another radius, and this point is B, this point is C. Draw another radius. This radius is R, and this point is D. Now you have to keep two things in your mind, okay, while proving this L is equal to r theta. The first thing is that if angle between the radius AB and radius AC is theta radian, the length of the arc BC will be equal to L. And the second thing is if the angle between radius AB and radius AD is 1 radian, then length of the arc BD is R radius. Let me explain it again. If you have the angle theta radian between two radius AB and AC, the length of the arc BC will be L. And if you have the angle between AB and AD 1 radian, then length of the arc BD is R. And we know that the ratio of these two angles, theta radian ratio 1 radian, will be equal to the ratios of the lengths of the arcs, that is L ratio R. And ratio means division. You can write it like this: theta radian divided by 1 radian is equal to L over R. Radian cancel with radian. Theta is equal to L over R. And now L over R is equal to theta. You have to multiply R on both sides. This is R theta and cancel R with R. L is equal to R theta. You can write it like this: L is equal to R theta. Now this is proved. If you have any question, please write in the comment section below or send me an email mentioned in the description box. Please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more videos.